Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Rancher login issues, cluster and auth errors step by step clearly. To address login issues with Rancher, start by checking your network connectivity. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you can access the Rancher server URL. If you're using a VPN, consider disconnecting it to see if it resolves the issue. Next, confirm that the Rancher server is running. Use your terminal or command prompt to check the server status. If the server is down, restart it and attempt to log in again. If you receive a cluster error, verify that the cluster you are trying to access is correctly configured. Check the cluster's status in the Rancher UI and make sure it is active. If the authentication fails, review your login credentials for any typos. Reset your password if you're unsure or have just changed it. If you're using an external identity provider, ensure that the provider is properly configured and operational. Examine the logs for the Rancher server to identify any underlying issue. Access the logs by connecting to the terminal where Rancher is deployed and running the appropriate commands. If you notice any error messages, take note of them for further troubleshooting. If the issue persists, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. A fresh session can sometimes resolve unexpected login problems. You may also want to try using a different web browser or accessing Rancher in incognito mode. If none of these solutions work, check for any firewall settings that may be blocking access. Verify that your IP address is whitelisted if applicable. As a last resort, consult the official Rancher documentation or forums for advanced troubleshooting tips. Engaging with the community can also provide insights into similar experiences and solutions. By following these steps, you can systematically identify and resolve your Rancher login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.